What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to another video. This is also filmed on the same day I filmed the tempered glass screen protector fitting. But here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max black leather case. We do have the leather wallet, that video is coming soon. We've got the MagSafe charger right here, that video also coming soon. Let's just get into it. Let's unbox the black leather case, see what it looks like on the phone, see whether it's worth that £60 price tag. Right, okay, so this is one of my favourite videos to film every single year without fail. Is obviously the genuine cases from Apple. Now I've only bought the one, black leather one. Didn't think they were going to do this, as when I spoke to them, they were sort of and I didn't know whether the leather case was coming. They never really announced the leather case, they only seemed to announce the silicone and the leather wallets. But I do have the leather case in front of me right now, so without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing of it and let's take a look at what the genuine Apple cases look like for this year. I do go for this type of case every single year. I think going all the way back to the iPhone 5, I do tend to go for just the genuine leather cases. This was from the 11 Pro Max, that's now left, but this is the 12 Pro Max, so let's get into the unboxing of it. So as you can see, it shows you the cutout for the camera, iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case, MagSafe compatible obviously, which is what the charger is, some brief information, natural leather, and then you just literally pull from the top, it pops, take it out. Okay, let's take it out from there. Shows you inside how to fit the phone in, of course. So here we go, here's what it looks like. Taking this out, just general information, as you can see, little card and stuff, and then pop that out too. You've got where your MagSafe will go, so let's go ahead and let's fit this onto the phone and see what it looks like. Black case obviously fitted. Okay, so that's on there right now. So obviously I've got the Caseology screen protector, works really well, doesn't seem to have any issues, doesn't fold over the front. Cut out on the back for the camera, obviously I'm rocking the Pacific Blue. It's got a nice raised lip around the camera. You've got your cutout on the bottom for your speakers, your microphone, your charging port. Volume buttons feel nice and clicky. You can easy access to your toggle switch, and of course your power button on this side, and nothing on the top. This feels absolutely lovely to hold, feels absolutely fantastic. I'm really looking forward to having this on the phone right now, as this is obviously the case that I always seem to go for, especially when we're going out somewhere. You know, it's nice to have a nice fancy case on. But let's see what it looks like now, obviously when you fit on the MagSafe charging puck, and that's pretty on there, that's nice and tight. You're going to have to literally peel that off from the bottom to get it off, but that's on there. That feels really good in the hand, guys, so I'm really excited to have the leather case. And I didn't think, as I said to you, I didn't think they were going to make it, but I'm so glad they did. Obviously this is the black leather case, so obviously what we need to do as well before we end the video is that all important smell test. So let's check it out. Smells good. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Let me know if you enjoyed this. Did you pick up the Apple silicone or the leather cases? Did you pick up a different colour than the black that I always seem to go for? I don't seem to go for any other colour apart from the black leather, but I still think it looks good even with the blue behind it. So I'm really happy with the black leather case. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I will see you all in the next video, which is going to be very soon. This is going to be a busy week. See you all soon, guys. Take it easy.